In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Google Sites. First, you need to go to Google Sites and log into your account, and then have a website that you want to link to your domain. After that, click on your website and go to the Settings cog in the top right corner and then click on Custom Domains. From there, click on Start Setup. Then select User Domain from a third party and click Next. Now you can enter your domain name. To use GoDaddy as an example, log into your GoDaddy account, go to your name in the top right. Then go to Products to see all of your domains. After that, you can copy your selected domain name and paste it into Google Sites. However, the domain may not yet be verified, so proceed to verify ownership by clicking on Verify Your Ownership and then Continue. Select a record type and go to your domain registration company, copy the TXT record and paste it into the DNS configuration. To add a new record, go to the Records page, click Add a new record, select TXT, type in the name you want at the name, then copy the value and paste it in the Value section. Remember to delete any pre-existing ads and then save the one from Google. After that, click Verify again in Google. Then go to your DNS settings and create a CNAME record with the value of www. and destination of your selected website and save it. Check and remove any other records. Finally, click Done and wait for your website to update, which may take up to 24 hours.